how you doing? It's your girl, your lady, who 1K Yellow Diamond, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome to my channel. Hello, 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 hello. How is everybody doing? How is everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing fine and fabulous. And if not, remember what? I'll wait. Remember, you have the key to be fine and fabulous about you. Okay? Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay? Okay. Okay, y'all. Next, we're going to make the glazed lemon icing to go on top. Now, remember, I always say start off with dry ingredients. I'm using about a half a tablespoon or maybe a teaspoon of the lemon pudding. Then I'm going to add, I should have used where's my cup? Give me a second. I'm going to add about two cups of powdered sugar. Yeah, this stuff can be messy. Confectionate or powdered sugar. Call it what you want to. You want to add, now usually I use cornstarch, but you want to add about, wait a minute, y'all. Let me gain control over this, honey, because the flour trying to control me. You want about a half a tablespoon of flour to your dry ingredients. And make sure y'all blend that up really, really good. Now this is about a tablespoon of butter and milk. 1/3 cup of milk. And now you're gonna blend your 1/3 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of butter into your confectionate sugar or powdered sugar, your lemon pudding, and what else I put in, and flour. Now the purpose of the flour or the cornstarch, like I said, I usually use cornstarch. Is to kind of, what's the word? Kind of use it for like like how you use flour in gravy or cornstarch for gravy mix. I'm adding a little bit of milk, a little bit more carnation milk to kind of loosen it up some. Because I want more like a glaze. Yeah, so you're using the flour, the cornstarch to the powdered sugar to give it a little bit more a little bit more thickness to it, a thickness. Whip it. You gotta mix it, baby. 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 Mix it, it, mix it, baby. Yes. Okay, y'all. That is the consistency you want for the lemon glazed icing. If you want more of a lemon taste, add more pudding. But remember, you got to add that with the dry ingredients. Once when you mix this up, you can't add the pudding. I mean, I have never tried it. You can try it and see it might clunk up, like have lumps in it. But that is smooth lemon icing for my homemade lemon cake. Looks like my cake is cooking too fast. All right, you guys. So I have that done. I made the lemon icing. The cake is baking. So I will see you all when I'm ready to glaze the cake. So that means I have to wait for the cake to cool, because you want the cake to completely cool. Because if you pour this glazed icing on it while it's hot, the ice is just going to melt and run all the way down. It's already going to run down. That's fine, but you don't want it to run down, and then when you look at the cake, it looks like there's no icing on it. So I will be back and show you the icing part and the good old delicious cut lemon cake. All right? See ya. Glaze to it. The lemon glaze. Ooh, y'all look. That look good. It's good too. Okay, y'all ready?